Hey guys, it's your girl, Part of My Beauty TV, and I'm back with another video. So this is my grocery haul, and I shopped at Aldi. I ordered through Instacart. I believe everything came up to like $150 something, and yeah. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought. So first thing I'm showing is the lemon cakes. These are the green onions. You're gonna see me like putting some stuff away or whatever, but most of the stuff I put away off camera. So I got peppers. I got plantains. I believe that's plantains or bananas, whatever. No, it's plantains. Yeah, so this is like my second or third time ordering from Aldi. When I used to live in Long Island, I ordered from there first. Ginger, and I liked it. So, you know, basically this is like my second time ordering upstate. And so yeah, it beats going to the grocery store because I don't drive, so I would have to take an Uber there to the grocery store, waste money, and then take another Uber back home after spending almost $200 on groceries. So these are tomatoes, and I think I got 2 of those. I think I got some grapes I'm gonna be showing you guys, broccoli, lemons. I got 2 bags of lemons. What's great about Aldi, even though this video is not sponsored, is that you know, like every other ordering thing, they let you either you could substitute or they'll refund you your money back right away. So yeah, so I got some pork chops. Yeah, basically that's that. Yeah, so actually I really like Aldi. Like, they're not expensive, and everything comes fresh. Even like the fruits, the vegetables and stuff like that is always fresh every time it comes. The poultry, it doesn't look slimy. It's not like, you know, I haven't had a bad experience. All the shoppers are very attentive and they follow directions. You know, I asked to put the groceries on my steps, and the lady put the groceries on the porch steps, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, everything's great. So basically, I think this is where I started putting some stuff away. I'm back. Anywho, yeah, so let me know in the comments, guys, like what kind of you know, what grocery stores do you like to shop from to order your groceries? Honestly, I think I'm gonna set something up to where like every so often you know, I get the same groceries delivered, because honestly, you know, I haven't had a bad experience, like I said. So yeah, this is my little grocery haul, and I keep walking away, guys, once again, because I'm putting some stuff away right now. The children in the background, if I would have put the sound on, you would have heard my baby crying and my daughter watching her tablet. It's noisy and stuff. So basically, yeah, I'm thinking about what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna make for dinner, but I might just order out. I don't know. It's like after you order groceries and get all the groceries, it's like I don't even feel like cooking anymore. So yeah, anywho, I got my daughter a piece of Lunchables because I think those are her favorite. I think the pizza ones are her favorite, and usually I get the small ones, but these come with a juice and a little snack. So yeah, that's great. I got her a few of those. What you guys are not gonna see on camera is that I got I think I got fish, eggs, and I forgot what else, but I forgot to show you guys because the bag was like on the floor in the corner and whatever. But yeah, so that's really it. And these bags are way better bags than Walmart, even though they're gonna go in the garbage. Those brown paper bags are like was more sturdy than the ones that when you go to Walmart, because those ones from Walmart are so cheap. I'm so tired of ordering stuff from Walmart. It's just like, it really bothers me. Like, it makes you not even want to go inside of Walmart. And I have bags, but sometimes I forget them when I go to Walmart straight from work. But yeah, so basically, yeah, there's not really much else to it. I really appreciate if you guys will like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Yeah, so just enjoy the video. And yeah, just a few other things that I bought. Thank you guys, and I'm Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mommy left you? No.